Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel TaylorToned. If you've not already hit subscribe, do it right now. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to give you a little bit of a different workout. The only equipment you're going to need for today's workout is a wall. I'm going to do two workouts within this series. The first workout I'm going to do today is going to be a glute and hamstring focused wall workout, and then the next video that I'm going to upload is going to be an ab focused wall workout. So make sure you do both and let me know which one you preferred. Let's get straight into the workout. You will be needing a wall for today's workout. I want you to bring yourself down on towards your mat. I've just pushed my yoga mat up against the wall. You're then going to bring both of your feet into a 90-degree angle on the wall. So you've got a 90-degree angle. The hands are going to come all the way around your waistline here. So you notice I've got a 90-degree angle. Now push the palms to the floor straight in towards your glute workout today. Inhale in. You're going to exhale, press the hips all the way up to the ceiling and lower all the way back down again. So I want you to bring your eye line to the ceiling, lift all the way up and lower all the way back down. Now you want to try to keep your knees as still as possible, and you want to try and roll through every single vertebrae of your spine as you lift all the way up. At the top of the action, you're going to give your glutes a little squeeze together. Roll all the way down through the spine. Push, press the hips up, squeeze the glutes together, lower back down again. Inhale, exhale, ripple up through the spine, roll all the way back down again. Press all the way up with the hips and squeeze all the way back down again. You want to tuck the tailbone under first and then roll back down again. Now today's workout, it's all about getting you that round, perky bum and really working your hamstrings as well. For the deeper burnout here, really squeeze those glutes together as tight as you possibly can at the top, and you will get that change you want to your body. Tuck the hips under, lift all the way, squeeze, lower back down. Keep going. I know it feels like it's been going forever. You've got 6 more of these to go. All the way back down again. You've got 5 more. Tuck, press all the way up. Make these ones count. You have 4 more here. All the way, tuck, squeeze and lift. Lower back down. 3, and then we're going to hold. Up, squeeze, lift. Back down. You've got 2 more to stillness. Pull those glutes together and all the way back down again. Last one. Press the hips up. Now I want you to squeeze the glutes together so the palms are down, eye line to the ceiling. Now press the hips to the ceiling. You're going to lift right heel, lower, left, lower, right, lower. If this is hurting your lumbar spine, make sure you've got a nice scooped out plate, a scooped out C shape to your spine. Lift the heel, lower. Let's step it up a notch. You can either keep going with those heel raises or you're going to change, switch. Switch, switch. Now keep pushing the glutes to the ceiling. Keep squeezing your glutes together. It is burning. Change, change, switch, switch. Really pull the glutes together here as tight as you possibly can. Switch, switch. 10, 9, 8. Make those glutes shake. You've got 6, 5, 4. Roll down through the spine. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Roll all the way down through the spine. You should feel a nice burnout through the glutes. We are not done yet. I want you to pop both the feet back on towards the wall. 90-degree angle again. I want you to then tuck the hips under, squeeze the glutes back up again, pull them together, and lower all the way back down to the floor. You've got 4, and then we're going to hold. All the way lift up, all the way lower back down. You've got 3 until stillness here. Squeeze together at the top, don't forget, and lower back down. You've got 2 more. Lift up and squeeze. All the way down. 1 more. Lift up and squeeze. Now hold here. You want to pull the glutes together as tight as you can. Right knee in, drop. Left knee in, drop. Right knee, drop. So you're just marching here, drawing the knee into the chest. Squeeze, press, in, press. The palms are still down to the floor. In. So you're just marching those knees into the chest. Keep pulling the glutes together. Do not let your hips drop down to the floor. Can you feel it? Yeah, I'm feeling it. We go in, press, we go in. Keep marching. We've got 10 more marches here against the wall. You've got 8 more. Pull the glutes together. Press. 6. Can you get those hips a little bit higher? 4. tap the wall. 3, you've got it. 2. Now last one, tap the wall. I want you to dig both the heels into the wall. Squeeze your inner thighs together so they're touching. Dig the heels in. Now lift the glutes a little bit higher. It's burning me so much. Then option here, if you can, you're gonna reach one hand high. You're gonna reach the other hand high. Dig the heels in, little tiny lifts. Whew. Lift, lift. As you lift, it should be so intense. Squeeze your glutes together. Lift, squeeze, go up and up. Pull the glutes together. Inhale and exhale. Give me a final 10. Make the change you want. Squeeze tighter. 7, 6 more pulses. 5, you've got to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower all the way down. Draw the knees into the chest. Quick stretch here. Give it a rock side to side. Bring your right foot over the top of the left knee, hands down to the floor. You're going to walk the foot up the wall, press the knee backwards, and you should feel it. And then from here, bring that other foot onto the wall. Take the foot on top of the knee. And then bring the knee in. If you can't feel it, take a little high heel on the wall. Draw the knees into the chest, carefully roll all the way in towards the side. And from here, we're going to move in towards the second part of the workout. You're going to need to bring yourself up and away from the floor. I want you to bring yourself up to a wall. You're going to step your feet in front of yourself just like this, 90-degree angle through the legs, and then you're going to lower, come straight in towards a wall sit position, lower the hips down to the floor. Now you've got a 90-degree angle through the legs at the bottom. So 90-degree angle, hips are in line with your knees, torso is pressed up against the wall, and you're going to squeeze your navel in, close the ribs together. If you need to break through this, feel free. Bring your hands into a prayer position. And then I want you to roll your shoulders backwards and down. Pressing the back into the wall, making sure there is not a curve through the spine. You're pressing that back right into the wall. You should start to feel it into your quads, underneath into the hamstrings as well. Breathe in, exhale away. I want you to reach the hands in front of yourself. You're going to squeeze right elbow, reach, left elbow, reach. So you're tapping the elbow to the wall, in, reach, go in, then reach. You're just tapping the elbow, trying to take your mind off the fact that your legs should absolutely be on fire by now. Tap the wall, reach, tap, reach. Option here, the little cardio. We go in, reach, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, pressing that back into the wall. I am right here with you too. Keep going. In, reach. Give me another 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. We're gonna hold stillness in 5, 4. You've got it. 3, 2, 1. Hold the hands out. Now you're gonna grip your hands. Imagine you have a hold of a steering wheel. I know your thighs are burning. We're gonna start to go around with that steering wheel. Switch. Go switch. Imagine you are driving a car. Visualize anywhere than where you are right now, because those thighs should be burning. You are driving yourself on a little holiday. Switch the wheel, switch. You should start to shake through those thighs. You are done in a final 10, 9, 8. You've got to stick with me, just 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. I hope that you all loved your wall workout today. Leave me a little comment down below. Let me know how you got on with this workout. If you go back to my YouTube homepage, you'll find lots of workouts focused on different parts of the body. I've got arm workouts, ab workouts, I've got warm-ups, cool down. So go and check all of that out if you want to team this warm-up with something else today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm Gabrielle. See you all soon.